Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to dropship products from AliExpress to Amazon. Let's get started. Dropshipping is an incredibly popular business model that allows you to sell products online without ever having to hold inventory or handle any of the shipping logistics yourself. AliExpress, as a massive online marketplace, offers an enormous range of products at highly competitive prices, making it an ideal choice for dropshipping entrepreneurs looking to maximize their profit margins. Amazon, on the other hand, stands as one of the world's leading e-commerce platforms with an absolutely massive customer base, offering unparalleled opportunities for sales, growth, and scalability. While dropshipping from AliExpress to Amazon definitely comes with its own set of unique challenges, with the right strategies, tools, and dedication, you can absolutely build a successful and highly profitable business. Now, before we dive deep into the step-by-step process, I want to share something that can seriously supercharge your product research and save you countless hours of work. Want to find winning products faster and more efficiently? Let me introduce you to the Smart Hub from Sell the Trend. It's your all-in-one dashboard for everything e-commerce. You get access to AI-powered product research tools and can even spy on any online store to see what's working for them. Find proven winners with their Nexus AI products and hand-picked winners sections. Use the ad finders to see trending ads on Facebook and TikTok, giving you incredible insights into what's converting right now. Unlock competitor secrets with their spy tools for store and niche intelligence, allowing you to stay ahead of the competition. And it connects you directly to all the major marketplaces to source your products seamlessly. It's everything you need to find your next bestseller, all in one place. That's Sell the Trend. I've included a special link in the description where you can try it for 14 days for just $1. It's an absolute game changer for serious dropshippers. Now, let's get into the actual process, starting with understanding how this method works. First, it's important to understand that there is no direct official way to connect AliExpress and Amazon together. You won't be able to set up an automated, direct dropshipping business between these two platforms through any official integration. However, I'm going to teach you a method that is very similar to traditional dropshipping. Not direct, not official, but something that works effectively and has been proven by many successful sellers. Here's how it works. When a customer buys from your Amazon store, you'll collect their complete address and contact information through Amazon's order system. Then, you'll manually place an order on AliExpress using the customer's shipping details and have the product delivered directly to them from the AliExpress supplier. This way, you don't need to worry about inventory management, warehousing, or handling shipping logistics yourself. The entire process is handled through this clever workaround. Step 1. Set up your Amazon seller account properly. If you haven't already created an Amazon seller account, you'll need to do this first. Go to Amazon's Seller Central website and follow their registration process. You'll need to provide some basic business information, tax details, and banking information for payments. Once your store is set up and verified, you'll need to carefully configure your seller settings, including shipping templates, return policies, and customer communication preferences. Take your time with this setup process, because getting these foundational elements right from the beginning will save you countless headaches down the road. Step 2. Research and identify winning products to sell. This is where the real work begins. You'll need to spend significant time researching products that have high demand, but relatively low competition. A great strategy is to explore Amazon's bestseller lists and category rankings first to identify trending products. Pay particular attention to categories like fitness equipment, home goods, electronics, and kitchen appliances, as these tend to perform well for dropshippers. Once you've identified some promising products on Amazon, immediately search for similar items on AliExpress to see if you can source them at a significantly lower price while maintaining good quality. Look for suppliers with high ratings, good reviews, and a history of reliable shipping. Step 3. Meticulously copy product details from AliExpress to Amazon. Once you've found a product on AliExpress that you want to sell, you'll need to carefully copy all the relevant details over to your Amazon listing. Start with the product title, but don't just copy it verbatim. Optimize it for Amazon's search algorithm by including relevant keywords while making it compelling for potential buyers. Next, copy the product description, but rewrite it to make it more engaging and to avoid duplicate content issues. For images, you'll need to download them from AliExpress. Since AliExpress doesn't allow direct image downloads through right-click options, I highly recommend using the AliSave browser extension. This fantastic tool lets you download all product images in high quality, including variant images, description images, and even customer feedback images, which you can then upload to your Amazon listing to make it more comprehensive and trustworthy. Step 4. Manage orders efficiently and accurately. When a customer places an order on your Amazon store, you'll receive a notification with their complete shipping and contact details. Then, you need to immediately go to AliExpress, find the exact product the customer ordered, and click Buy Now. You must enter the customer's shipping information exactly as provided on Amazon. Double-check every detail, including their name, address, city, state, zip code, and phone number to ensure there are no errors that could cause delivery issues. This attention to detail is crucial for maintaining good customer satisfaction and avoiding negative reviews. Step 5. Focus on scaling and continuous optimization. Unlike other dropshipping platforms that offer more automation, this AliExpress to Amazon method requires consistent manual work. You'll need to continuously monitor both platforms, update product details regularly, handle order transfers meticulously, and manage customer service inquiries promptly. To streamline this process and make it more efficient, I strongly recommend using tools like Sell the Trend to identify winning products quickly and efficiently. This will save you enormous amounts of time and help you focus on growing your business rather than getting bogged down in manual research. Additionally, consider using inventory management software to track your best-performing products and ensure you don't run into stock issues with your AliExpress suppliers. While this process is undoubtedly manual and requires careful attention to detail, it's a proven way to start dropshipping from AliExpress to Amazon successfully. Remember, long-term success in dropshipping relies on finding the right products, optimizing your listings for conversion, providing excellent customer service, and continuously testing and improving your approach. If you're looking for a more automated solution that can help you scale faster, definitely check out Sell the Trend. It's truly a game changer for product research and store management. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try it for 14 days for just $1. That's less than the price of a coffee for access to tools that could transform your e-commerce business.